Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a well-kept 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom home in a very private setting in the family-friendly and protective neighborhood of Plymouth, Kingston, which is home to many expatriates, diplomats, and outstanding Jamaicans. This property offers its occupants privacy from the front and allows for entertainment and enjoyment at the back. Its remote access two-car garage offers additional privacy. The home is equipped with a generator and 3,000 gallons of water storage, home office, multiple entertainment areas for your guests, and a helper's quarters round out the inside of the home. This 23,000 square feet property has a variety of fruit trees, a dog kennel, and can accommodate a pool if you wish to install one. Its location is only 3 minutes away from restaurants, shopping, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.